Okay. We, the nurses of River State University, should also present this portrait to assure you that we are well committed to assure you that we are well committed to the developmental program of His Excellency, whom you are representing here by virtue of being his wife. So we say this is a token to tell you that we are ever ready and committed to the work. It's just that we have not been able to come to see you, which we should have done, but knowing that the manpower shortage, few that will always be there, they are always working. We would have come to you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, HNS. Her Excellency will formally present this to you. Thank you very much. Very good.
Congratulations.
No, just hold on. Hello, ma.
Push this thing. Okay. Reposition. Go. To cover that space. All on the ground.
The people of River State will present this gift to our staff.
Thank you, ma'am.
Everybody just.
Hold on. Let's just wait. Okay. Just go.
Okay, Christmas, as we all know, is the time when we celebrate the birth of our Lord Jesus Christ. So as Christians, it is very important for us to also show what it means to be a Christian. We have to behave Christ-like, just as like Christ. That is the thing. And my message to mothers is, God has laid a lot of things in the hands of women. So as mothers, it's our duty to manage our home in love and in unity. Training our children in the fear of the Lord is very important. And great support to our husbands to come and celebrate and appreciate God in their lives. For them, as women, giving birth as Hebrew women, their babies are doing well. The mothers are also doing well. And also present gifts to them, because when our Lord Jesus Christ was born, he was also presented with precious gifts. The state too also has to present gifts to these children. Of course, I'm happy. Why shouldn't I be happy? I came and I met children who are healthy. Their parents are healthy, brand new babies. So I'm very happy to be here. As it's saddled with the man to provide for the family, it's also the woman's duty to support her husband to build a family. in love and in unity.
Step back.
Okay. Welcome. So, quick introduction.
My Excellency and the entire Merry Christmas everyone. The Chairman Marks of the University of Port Harcourt Teaching Hospital, this is the Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology, Postnatal Ward, where we have women who are delivered. And right here we have one of our antenatal patients who delivered this morning at 0049 hours. So 49 minutes after midnight was when she had a baby. So our first Christmas baby for the year. 0.6 kilograms.
That's go front. Go take position that side.
3.6 kilograms.
3.6.
So just will give you space so I can position where.
We thank God for safe delivery, baby doing well, and mother doing well too. We give God thanks. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Go. Are we good?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. The auto manager, I think that. Please.
Congratulations.
No, just hold on.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.